Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. President Kalonzo Musyoka niwavuthiisya vanene itambya ya mbunge kuvitukithya mutalatala wa Kumung'Uthula munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua kuma kivilani aiweta kana mbunge ndinaatia mawalanio ala mekiitwe miao mbee wa kuvitukithya mutalatala usu kuatiia mawoni ma enenthi aingi ala manaleanaa na mutalatala usu. Engi Kalonzo niwaweta kana mutalatala uo wa Kumung'Uthula munini wa Musumbi wende na kutumiwa na nzia sya kuvitha siko sya mali ya Kenya kwa sya mali ya yoku kambuni wa adani ula waweta tolikilite vanene muvia wa mwaki ukui na uiti kutia nthi ya Kenya ye muisioni wa kukwata mateka ki ukwati. Daniel Mongela ena mauvo.
Kelo na andikima mauvo Dr. President Kalonzo Musyoka niwaelezeka na mbunge ndinaatia wasya wa enenthi mbee wa kuvitukithya mutalatala wa Kumung'Uthula kivilani munini wa Musumbi. Engi ndaweta kana ni vatoneka mbunge ungua mwawula chama cha Wiper ala Manakunie kula kuitikila mutalatala usu kuvitukithwa makose wa matambya ma miao ni kyama ki.
That the so-called public participation turned out to be a referendum question on William Ruto himself. Was that ever recorded? So I think that this impeached parliament should have also taken into account what Kenyans said on the public participation forum, including making it worse by saying, move it now to the constituency. It was even worse. And is it the case that if leaders want to look at tomorrow and the future of our democracy and democratic conduct as a people, they better listen. They better listen, because I really pity members who can't even go and address their own constituents because they went completely opposite the expectations of their people. And people will deal with them. 2 years down the line is not very far. The ones who went against the party position, because it's not, I'm just a party leader, but the matter will have to be brought before the party disciplinary machinery. The Maalim thing must be made very clear because of some very funny attempt, I don't know whether by the office of the Registrar of Political Parties, to give impression that the party has had elections, all right, and we have re-elected Farah Maalim as a deputy leader. That was terrible concoction. Farah Maalim is undergoing disciplinary proceedings by Wiper Democratic Movement.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. President Kalonzo Musyoka niwaendelea na kuelezekana nthi ya Kenya ye muisioni wa kwasya mali yayo avata usiaisioni wa utongoi wa Kenya kwanza na muno muviani wa mwaki ukui na uiti na kunewa kambuni ya adani unula wawetakana unenania yulu wa Kumung'Uthula kwa munini wa Musumbi ni nziemwe kuvika enenthi metho maikamane maundu ala maende na utwaigwa mali isu yende na uthouga.
Under the cloud of the impeachment drama, Kenya has been guptied by Adani the way South Africa was state captured. Kenya is facing an unprecedented threat of state capture, where our key sectors, energy, transport to health, have seen multi-billion deals being granted by the broad-based government to one Adani in an opaque, non-competitive and secretive manner.
Unowevu ni wathingila kana tatongoi ukalikoni wolei maisa kuitikila mali ya enenthi inenganwe kwa kambuni sya kimbene indi nimekwendea na kuukitia undu vatoneka na kutumia nzia sionthe sya miao.
We reiterate our position that the impeachment drama was a smoke screen that was meant to divert the attention of Kenyans and provide cover for these multi-billion deals to be issued by the bread-based government. We want to assure Kenyans that we will not allow our country to be auctioned by this bread-based regime. We shall fight in parliament, we shall fight them in court, we shall fight them on the streets, but we will never surrender our country to these latter-day merchants of Venice.
Daniel Mongela, Mutongoi TV, kuma va kauntini ya Masako.